Hey, high levelers! If you're hosting a community or group inside of HighLevel, you're going to want to check out this video. I'll be showing you how to use automatic newsletters right inside of communities. This gives you flexibility and full control in terms of the frequency that your newsletter is sent out, as well as the time frame. This helps to support engagement inside of your community and puts you in full control. Let's get started. All right, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, click on Memberships. Once you've clicked on Memberships, go to the top and click on Communities, then Groups. Here you're going to log into the group in which you want to set up your newsletter. Once inside of the community, go ahead and click on Settings. When you've clicked on Settings, you're going to see a list of options and click on the Newsletter tab. Once inside, here's where you'll actually have the flexibility in setting up the frequency that your newsletter is sent out. This is going to be a summary of popular posts, member activity, and events in the group. Why we love this? Your newsletter is not going to go out at awkward times. You can set this at times that make sense for engagement inside of your community. You can actually set up your frequency for daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly settings. Let's go ahead and select daily. Once you've selected that, you're just going to go ahead and set the time in which you'd like your newsletter to go out, and be sure to select your time zone. Then you can save that. If you desire to set it for weekly, just go ahead and select weekly, then select the time zone, and the weekday in which your newsletter would go out, and then click Save. We also have the bi-weekly option, which you can set the time zone, as well as the weekday, and the monthly option. For the monthly option, you're going to just go ahead and enter the time zone, and what day of the month do you want the frequency of your newsletter to go out. I'm going to go ahead and keep it to daily, and then I'll save that option. So go ahead and set up your newsletter time configuration today for better timing and increased engagement inside of your community. For more information on this tutorial, check out our corresponding help doc. And if you like this video, be sure to check out our Content Army playlist where we show you more tutorials on how to use HighLevel. I'll see you guys in the next video.